Hi guys, this is Nandini and welcome to my first YouTube video. Today I will tell you how to make the eyebrow in perfect manner so that they look very natural, feathery and very amazing and on point. So make sure you watch this video till end because I will share with you some amazing tricks and tips to make sure that your eyebrows look best way possible. So without any further ado, let's start the video. First, I will tell you which products that you need to use to make sure that your eyebrows look very good. So first you will need this pencil, because if you're a beginner I would suggest you to use a pencil like this. This is by Etude House Drawing Eyebrow and it's in the shade gray. I would say if your hair color is brown or let's say black, then make sure you always use a brow pencil which is 2 shades or 1 shade lighter than your hair color, so it will look more natural and that way your eyebrow will look more flawless and very good and feathery. So this is how your pencil or gel pencil must look like, because look at the precision, it's very sharp and you can easily make the shape of the eyebrow. Also you can make the strokes of your hair very easily with this kind of shape of the pencil. But if you already are a pro, then you can use some other gel uh, powder also, so it's up to you. But if you're a beginner, I would say please invest in this kind of brow pencil, because this will give you the exact control and precision when it comes to making your eyebrows. And also it comes with a spoolie. So what we're gonna do first, we'll brush up our eyebrows here. This is how they are supposed to be looking. They must be brushed upward. After that we will fill in all gaps that you can see here to make the eyebrow look more fuller and less scanty. Now taking this mirror, you can take any mirror, उसके बाद आपको लेना है इस pencil को, then draw it in the small strokes. Always make sure that center में darkest होगी, यहाँ पे lightest होगी. So always start with this point and gently give smaller strokes so that it looks more natural and you have more control over your eyebrows. Can you see the difference? Now second step is you have to brush your hair downwards. Look at the brow. Now it's looking very thick compared to this one. You have to only outline your eyebrow with this pen, not fill this up, because for filling we will use the different product. So this is the first step that you must follow. Uske baad with the help of spoolie we will brush our eyebrow to make sure that strokes are not very harsh. You have to make sure that the color that you have filled looks very natural. There is no harsh line. That's how we are following this step. Now you can see the difference. Look at this brow and the other one. And one more tip, when it comes to the shape of the eyebrow, this is the guideline that you have to follow. This should be the starting point. Then make it diagonal. This should be the arch and the end must be here, this side. If you follow this step, then your eyebrow will always look more fuller, thicker and natural as well. Now we will fill the eyebrow with the help of brown color powder. Can you see this sparse area here? We want to make sure that this is fully covered. Only then the eyebrow will look more full. Now we'll start with the same way, darkest in the middle. Here, always make sure that you are filling your eyebrow in the same direction as your hair are growing. This in this front side, usually you notice जो आपके eyebrow के hair होते हैं, they are always vertical. So we will always make sure that the brush stroke that we are doing here are only vertical, not horizontal, not that side. Make sure you always follow the direction of your eyebrow hair. Now filling this properly and make sure there is no scanty or sparse area left. Now again, brushing your hair with the help of spoolie. Can you see the difference here? As you can see, this area looks more like empty, so make sure you fill this up as well. Now it looks perfect. As you can see the difference here, but you can see here, even though the eyebrow are looking fuller, and you can see it looks more lifted because the shape we have given to the eyebrow and the arch which is here, it's like very suiting my face. So make sure you follow the same step. So next I'll be using this Sugar Cosmetics concealer to define my eyebrow. This step is very crucial because it will help in making sure that eyebrows are looking more defined, and the possibility of like if the product has gone here and there, it will clean out all the area and it will give you the proper definition to your eyebrow. And make sure you're not applying a lot of concealer here because otherwise it will look very odd and there's this possibility कि वो mix हो जाएंगे in this eyebrow. So now using the brush to make sure this is blended properly. After following this step, as you can see, it looks more defined and precise and more lifted. So this is why I always make sure I follow this step. And the last step is highlighting the eyebrow. So let me show you how to highlight the eyebrow. Now the last step is highlighting my eyebrow. This step is very crucial because it defines your this area. Here I'm using this Sugar contour palette and it's in 01 Subtle Summit. So I'm taking this highlighter here and highlighting my brow bone. If you follow this step, then you will notice that your eyebrow look more lifted and snatched. So that's why I always make sure to highlight this area. Can you see it now? It looks more lifted. So that's why I always make sure that I always highlight this region. As you can see the difference here, it looks more lifted, thicker, fuller. So that's why I always follow these steps. If you also want to achieve this kind of fuller eyebrow, please follow these steps. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel because it will really help me and motivate me to make more such video content for you. See you next time. Bye.